Not able to update that session. Okay, let's get started. The last session we have started with the 5th unit, Turing machine. In the definition and 2 examples. Construct or design a Turing machine. Definition of Turing machine: tuples similar to automata plus some additional tuples. Then the movement of read-write head. Finite control head is there, which moves in the left or right direction and can change the state of Turing machine depending on the current state and current input. That is what we said in the last session. Okay. Today we'll see some more examples and the terms related to Turing machine. How to describe a Turing machine, then language acceptance by Turing machine. Solve some more examples. I hope all appeared for the unit test. All the subjects. Not, then if retest is scheduled, try to appear for that retest. Okay. Next question. Design a Turing machine for language zero power n followed by 1 power n, that is number of zeros followed by same number of 1. For this we designed CFG so that it can construct a string which satisfies this condition. So we have designed the context-free grammar. Then using pushdown automata, we can accept this strings, the string which follows or which satisfy the condition of this language that we have seen. Now what we have to do is construct Turing machine. So language which is accepted by PDA. Now for that we have to construct a Turing machine. For language accepted by finite automata, we constructed CFG. Not accepted by finite automata. So context-free language, for that we designed CFG and PDA. Now for languages which are accepted by CFG plus PDA, we have to design Turing machine. And it will accept any type of language. Any type of language. So it is a universal machine or universal automata. Although languages which are not accepted by PDA are also accepted by Turing machine. We will see those examples. First, we will understand Turing machine with the help of examples which we have solved earlier. Now, the Turing machine. What is the Turing machine? Again, it is an automata with 7 tuples, states, some input, right? Then similar to the PDA where we had stack symbol, here we have tape symbol. You may write it as this T or this symbol. You may find different symbols. Then we have the transition from current state to next state on accepting some input, then movement of read-write head. That is the transition. Initial state, then a blank symbol which denotes empty cell. So this is similar to Z0, stack symbol of a default stack symbol, and final state. So here, what is delta? Current state, current input. What is third part? Yes. What is the third part? current state, current input, then what it will do. You have solved the example. What it will do when some input is provided as a some alphabet is provided as an input for this current state, it goes to some next state. Then what will happen? Current input is replaced by alphabet. Whatever alphabet is there. So this A is replaced by some A dash. Then move head left, right, or neutral. This is the transition. This is transition. This A dash may be equal to A, or it may be some additional alphabets. Some additional alphabets. Let's say some alpha. It can be epsilon or something else. So A can be equal to given A dash can be equal to given A, or it can have some additional alphabets, or it can be some different set instead of having same alphabets as that of input. This is input. So I can, if input is AB, I can write it AB on the stack, or I can write 0, 1, or I can write A, B. Anything, whatever you want, you have to write it on the stack. So in this question, what we have to do, for given input tape, let's say this is your input tape. Same, if we read a 0, we have to find out a matching 1. So up to this point 0 is there, and between this top cells number of ones are there. So zeros and ones. For each 0, you have to match 1. Now what we can do, start with the leftmost cell. Now pattern is zeros followed by 1. So initially you will read a 0 as an input, then you will find 1 as an input. Let's say we start at this 0. First 0, leftmost cell is 0. Then for this 0, we have to find 1. Where is the 1? From this cell onwards, we have 1. All the ones are there. What to do? We have to match these two. Now how to match? So whenever you find a 1 matching for this 0, just replace these two, 0 and 1. Replace 1 0 and replace 1 1. So these two are replaced. Now when this is replaced, we have to find second 0, which is to the right of this 0. So second cell, the replaced, let's say it is replaced with A. To the right of this A, there is a 0. If it is a 0, then again find 1. Again we have to find 1. Let's say it is replaced with B. Go to the right cell and replace this 1 with B. Again go to the left. Again we have to move until we read A. To the right of A, there is a 0. So if you find 0, then you have to find 1 and replace it. The first three are 0. First three zeros are replaced. Then again move to the left side until you find A. To the right of A, you may find 0 or you may find something else. Let's say here is a 0. So replace it with 1A. and go to the right, find 1, replace with B. Go to the left until you find A, to the right of A. Now what we will find? B. What we will find? B, or you may find 1. You may find either of these two. So if you find anything of these two, you have to write transition. Now if you find B, that means number of 0 and number of 1 are same. If you find 1 to the right of A, that means number of 1 are more, and it should not go to the final state. It should go to the final state. If you find left side A and right side B, then number of A and number of 0 and number of 1 are equal. So instead of replacing first 0, what we will do? We will replace last one. Sorry, instead of replacing first one, we will replace last one. Then go to the leftmost cell, find 0. If you find 0, go to the right. On the right, if you find 0 and 1s, then go to the right until you find B. Then to the left of this B, you will find 1. Replace it. Go to the leftmost cell where A is there. Here you should find A. Now we are not going to find 0. We are going to find A. And to the right of this, you will find 0. So let me write the transition. Delta Q naught. Initially, it should read 0. Let me write the condition. N greater than 0. If it finds 0, then what to do? Replace this 0. What we are going to do? Replace this 0 by A. Change state from Q0 to Q1. Move to the right cell. So when we find 0 on a Q0 as an input, change the state to Q1, replace this 0 by A and move to the right cell. Move to right cell. Now on the right side, what we will find? You may find A, keep it as it is. Q1, A, go to the right. Or you may find B, keep it as it is, go to the right. Q1, B, right. Repeat this task. Now on A, it may read on Q1, it may read A, or it may read B. Sorry, it will not read A. Initially, what it will read? 0 and 1. So it will read 0, keep it 0. If you read once, then keep it 1 and move to the right side. Now, somewhere it will read blank. A blank, B denotes blank, which means in end of input. So what we have to do? We have to keep this B as it is and change the state because we are going to change the direction. Go to the left. We found rightmost B, so go to the left. So first we replace this 0 with A and move to the right side. We have to replace this one. Now where this one is? To the left of B. So first find B. In between we will read 0, we will read 1. Keep them as it is. Go to the right cell until we read B. Wherever we read this B, keep this B as it is. Go to the left. On the left of this B, what it should be? It should be 1. It should be 1. Now replace this 1 with B. So Q2, if it reads 1, if it reads 1, then what we have to do? We have to replace this by let's say B, and go to the left side. Now we have to move towards left. So transition is left. Now what will be the state? Should we change the state? Yes, we have to change the state. So Q3. Now, while moving to the left, what we are going to read? Again, we are going to read 1 and 0. We have to keep going to the left cell until we read A. Now we are going to check A. Here there is no blank. It is not there. What is on the left side? Small a. So Q3, if input is 0, then Q3, keep it 0, go to the left. Or Q3 may read 1 as an input. Keep 1 as it is and go to the left. While moving to the left, it is going to read 0 or 1. Somewhere at the end, it will read A. This A, first A. This A will be there. So to the right of A, it may have 0. What are the options now? It may have 0 or it may read B. Here it is B. So if we replace all this, it becomes A. To the right of A, it will be B. To the right of A, it will be B. Or if condition is not matched, it will read 1 also. So let's say 4, 1 are there. Then this is replace, go to the left, replace, go to the left, replace A, come back, then replace this. Now on the right of A, it reads B 1. Instead of 0 or B, what it reads 1. Now in this case, it should go to the reject state. It should not accept the input. So Q3 on input A, what it will do? It will go back to the first state, that is Q0, because on Q0 it reads the input 0. On Q0 it reads input 0 and replace that 0 with A. So you have to go back to the state Q0. Then another option on Q3, what can be the input? Okay, that is the possible input to the left. Now Q0, what is the possible input? Another possible input. 0 is one input that we are going to read. For that we already written transition. If Q0 reads 0 input, replace it with A, go to the right side, and next state is Q1. But it may read B. If number of 0 and number of 1 are matching, then after replacing all 0 with A and same number of 1 by replacing by B, on the right of A it will get B, small b. In that case, go to the final state. Keep this B as it is and rewrite it will be neutral. N is do not move. Do not move. If it reads 0, replace with A. If it reads B on the right side, then replace with B and keep it on neutral state. Go to the final state. Go to the final state. Here, if you want, you can show the reject state. If you want, you can show reject state. Again, that is optional. Sometimes it is required. If you don't show, then also it is accepted. So these are the valid transitions. Transition function. This way we have to write transition function. Current state, current input, next state, replace by this, replace current input or current cell value with B and head movement. So where to move it or keep it on the current cell. Let's draw transition diagram. So Q0 is initial state. First input will be 0. Replace with A and go to the right. Next state is Q1. This is our first transition. This one. Q0 is a current state. Current input is 0. Replace with A. Go to the right cell and change the state to Q1. On Q1, input may be 0 or 1. Keep current cell value as it is and go to the right side. When it reads blank, then it changes the state and go to the left cell. So on the Q1, self loop. If 0 is input, keep 0 as it is, go to the right. 1 input, keep 1 as it is, go to the right. On Q1, if capital B is the input, then keep B as it is, go to the left and change the state. This is Q2. Now on Q2, what it should read? It should read 1 and replace 1 by small b. Replace 1 by small b, go to the left. Q3. Now while moving to the left, what it is going to read? 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, and this is blank. Initially it will read 0, replace with A, go to the right. So here it is A. While moving to the right, it reads 0 and 1, keep them as it is until it reads B. It reads B. Keep B as it is, go to the left. Here replace 1 with B, this transition Q2 to Q3, and move to the left. Now again you have to find 0. Is there any 0? So in between you may read 0 and 1. You may read 0 and 1, but you have to move towards left until you find A. Here you may find A. So to the left of 1 it is A, but to the right of A, what is it? Whether it is 0 or 1, that you have to find. So left 1 is replaced with B, go to the left. While moving to the left, what it will read? A self loop will be there. 1 replace with 1, go to the left. Then sequence of zeros, replace with 0, go to the left. On Q3, whenever it reads A, then to the right of A, there is a 0. And for 0, there is a transition from Q0. Because we have to replace 0 with A and go to the right. And for that, there is a transition from Q0 to Q1. So this is the transition. What it will be? A is input, keep A as it is, go to the right. On the right, what it will read again? 0. So for this 0, replace A. This is the transition, go to the right. Here it comes. Now on the right, it may read 0 or 1, whatever it may read. It has to keep that symbol as it is, go to the right until it reads. Now what it will read? It will read B. So this is transition B, replace with B, go to the left. Now it will not find this capital B, it will find small b. For first one on the rightmost first one, first we will search capital B, and in next subsequent moments we will find small b. So instead of capital B, it will be small b. Now in the next move towards right side, it will always find small b, not capital B. Go to the left. On the left, it may read 1. Replace 1 with B. 1 is replaced with B. Go to the left. While moving to the left, it will read 1 or 0. Keep them as it is until you find A. So here it will find A. Keep A as it is. Go to the right cell. So here it comes. On the right, if it finds 0, then again replace with A. So replace with A. Go to the right. Go to the right until it finds small b. To the left of small b, it is 1. Replace with B. Go to the left. While moving to the left, it may read 0 and 1. Keep them as it is until you find A. So until you find A, go to the right cell. On the right of this A, there is a 0. Replace with A. While moving to the right, as we are going to right cell, it may read 0 or 1. Now it will not read 0, but it will read 1. Keep 1 as it is. Go to the right cell until you find B. So here it finds B. To the left of B, it is 1. To the left of B, it is 1. Replace with B. Replace with B. Go to the left. On the left, it may read 1 or 0. Now there is A, no 0 and no 1. So it comes here. Left side of B, it is A. To the right of A. Now go to the right of A. Keep A as it is. Go to the right. On the right of A, what it will find? Small b. So what it means? What it means? Number of A and number of B are same. That means number of 0 equal to number of 1. Number of 0 equal to number of 1. So on the right of A, if we find B, go to the final state. There is no additional A. Number of 0 equal to number of 1. So additional 1 is not there because after this one there is no 0. So there is no question about that after this one we may find 0 and then we'll match this. No, because the statement is that you will find 0 before 1 and all ones after zeros. So to the right of A, if it is B, keep B as it is and you can keep read write head on the same node, that is the right side cell here, and move to the final state. Move to the final state. QF is a final state, right? So here it reaches the final state. That means string is accepted. String accepted means it satisfy the string language conditions or language constraints. This is Turing machine transition diagram. Before that, transition function. What are the remaining things? Tuple. Q is equal to Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Qf. Then inputs 0, 1. Tape symbol 0, 1, A, B, and blank. Blank is also part of tape symbol. What it denotes? This capital B, empty cell or blank. Then final state QF. Transitions we have written, transition diagram is drawn, right? And Q0 initial state. For delta we have written the transitions. So these are the tuples. And you have to write all the tuples after finding your solution. That will become your complete answer. Only drawing diagram or just showing the transition function is not sufficient. Clear? You can write transition table for this one also. I will write Q0 if 0 is input and if 1 is input. Initial state, what will be the next state? Q1. What it will do? Replace 0 with A and go to the right side. For Q0, if 0 is the input, current state, then this is next state, replace and head movement. Head movement. Q naught, if 1 is the input, then what it will do? It goes to, let's say, Q phi, which is a reject state. Keep 1 as it is, head as neutral. Because initially it should not be 1. It cannot have structure like this. So this way you have to write transition table. You can write this transition table. Clear? Any doubt? Find or design Turing machine for language L equal to a power I, b power j, where I is less than j. We have constructed Turing machine or design Turing machine for I equal to j. In the recent example, instead of AB, it was 0, 1. What you have to do? Number of A is less than number of B. It is less than number of B. And what you can consider? I greater than equal to 1. That means J is greater than equal to 2 because number of B are more. So if I is 1, J should be 2, 3, 4, anything. Minimum it will be 2. So I is greater than equal to 2. I is greater than equal to 1. Find a Turing machine. Similar to previous example. A small change. Little bit logic you have to change or transition you have to change. A small change is there. What will be the change? Let's say small a is replaced with capital A, small b is replaced with capital B. For each A, we will replace B because number of A are less than number of B. That means for each A, there is a B. For each A, there is a B. Whenever you find A replaced with capital A, whenever you find small b replaced with capital B. So let's say A is equal to 4, then B is equal to let's say 6. For each A, there is a 1 B. For A and B, replace them. Then after replacing all small a, to the right of A, what you will find? You will not find small a. What you will find? Small b. If you find small a, replace it. If you find small b, to the right of capital A, to the right of capital A. Go to the final state. So only change delta. Let's say Q naught is there. Initially it is A, then replace A with capital A, go to the right and change the state. So this will continue up to Q3. When Q3 reads capital A, go to the right, change the state. Keep A as it is, go to the right. On the right, on Q0, if it reads small a, it will replace it with capital A, or Q0, if it reads small b on the right, then it will go to the final state, keep b as it is, and head will be on the same cell. So this is a small change that you have to consider. In the previous example, there we had 0 and 1, here we have AB. 0 and 1 were replaced with AB, here we are replacing it capital A, capital B. Capital A, capital B. So try to find a transition function for all the states and for each input. What is another way to represent it? In some books, you may find different representation. So what that will be? Q0, current input is B, or instead of B, small a, replace with capital A, change the state to Q1, go to the right. This is description which is similar to Q0, comma A, Q1, replace with capital A, go to the right. So they are same representations or transitions. Representations are different, but transitions are same. So Q0 is the current state, A is the input, small a, replace with capital A. Next it is Q1, go to the right cell. You may find this representation in some books. So you should not get confused. That's why I've shown this one. Normally we write this, whatever I written, delta Q0, comma A equal to Q1, comma A, comma R. Yes, anyone got the answer? Has anyone solved it? This is instantaneous description where Qi represents current state, next input. So after reading input till this point, ai minus 1, the state is Qi. and this represents previous input, and this represents next sequence of input. This is next input. Current state Qi. Next input will be AI. Earlier, Turing machine has read input till this AI minus 1. And next after Q AI, it will read AI plus 1, AI plus 2, and so on. And it will change the state accordingly. So somewhere in between it is there, Qi. Okay, anyone has, if anyone has got the answer, just let me know. Has anyone solved the question? Are you solving the question? Next is design a Turing machine for the string over alphabet 0, 1 as a right shifter. So what we have to do is shift each cell to right side. Shift each cell to right side. Now how to shift it? What it is? This is, let's consider this is an input tape. You have to shift each cell to right side. This means what it will be. B after right shift, what it will be 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, blank. So this way we have to convert it. So input tape is changed where we are replacing input tape, shifting it to right side. That means we are performing a right shift on the input tape. This way we have to work. Now what can be the strategy? If I start from this point, I have to shift it to right side. So what I will do, shift this value to right side. what it will become? 0, 1, 0, 0, then 1, 0, 0, and so on. This 1 is lost because we have not saved it. What will happen in this case? That I'm explaining. So if I shift this 0 to here, or let's say I'm shifting it like this. B, replace this with blank and go to the right side. Whatever the cell is there in that cell, write down 0. So we can see the loss of 1. Instead of that, we can start from right cell. Whatever the rightmost symbol is there, shift it to right cell. So it will become B1, 1, 1. Then again to the left of B, we have something and that we can replace. So replace it with B, shift 1 to the right. So it becomes 1B, 1, 1. Then again to the left of B, there is a symbol. So replace it and replace B with 1, 1. So this way, what we can do, we can shift the rightmost symbol, which is to the left of B, to the right cell by replacing B with some alphabet 0 or 1, depending on the current input, and replace current cell with 0 blank, so that the symbol is shifted to right side. This way, we have to design a Turing machine which will shift symbols on the cell to the right side. The current cell value will be shifted to right side cell. Let me draw the diagram. First, where we are going to start? On the leftmost cell. We are starting on the leftmost cell and we have to find this blank. We have to find this blank. So it is on the right side. So move to the right side. In between, you may read 0 and 1. Keep them as it is. Go to the right. 1 replace with 1. Go to the right. When you read blank, keep blank as it is. Go to the left. Q1. Now here we have two possibilities. On the left of blank, we may read 0 or we may read 1. If we read 0, we have to replace blank with 0. If we read 1, replace blank with 1. Currently, we are on the left cell. Here it reads 0 or 1. So we have two possibilities, 0 or 1. What I can do? Replace 0 with blank, go to the right cell. Replace 1 with blank, go to the right cell. Q2. Let's say this is Q3. I cannot have same state. Then, so we have replaced this with blank. Go to the right side, we will read blank. Replace with 0. Go to the left. So go to the left, here it comes. So what it will become? B0 or it may become B1. On the left, it will read blank. Okay, first replace B with 1, go to the left. So here it is. Now cell is on this, head is on this cell. Then Q4 and Q5. Now, what it will read? It reads blank. It reads blank. When it reads blank, in both the condition, it will read blank. So blank replace with blank, go to the left. Blank replace with blank, go to the left. In both cases. So it goes to left. Now here it may be 0 or 1. Let's say it is 0, 1. Now this 1 we have to replace. Again 1 and 0, we have to replace them. So here it is. 1 replace with blank, go to the right. So it will become blank, blank, 0. Or 0 is replaced blank, blank, 1. Replace this. So it will be blank, 1, 0 or blank, 0, 1. So we have shifted 1 0 or 0 1 to the right cell, and B is shifted. B is here in the third cell from the right side. Continue this one. Continue this part. So on the left of blank, on the left of blank, what you will read? On the left of blank, what you will read? Let me write here 1 blank 0 0 0 blank 1 0. Let's consider this is the current cell. So to the left of B, to the this transition to the left of B, what it is 0 or 1, replace them B B 0 0. So what it becomes B B 0 0. Then go to the right cell, replace it with 1 0 0, right? Or what it becomes B B 1 0, then B 0 1 0. Now we have replaced this one. Go to the left B, right? To the left of B, what it reads? To the left of B, what it reads? Is there any symbol to the left of capital B in both the cases? This is the tape, current tape value B010 or B100. Is there any symbol on the left of capital B? No symbol. But what we have considered a tape where this is first input, right? So another version. Now this is one version of Turing machine where there are blanks on the left side as well. This is called two-way infinite tape Turing machine. And what are examples we have seen earlier? Those are one side or one way infinite tape Turing machine. So what we considered, this is our tape and it is infinite on the right side. That was earlier condition. So that is one way or one side infinite tape. This is two way or two side infinite tape. So input tape is infinite on both the directions, and we are starting from this point. Wherever the input is there, that is our first starting point that we consider. We always consider wherever is the first input character, that is the starting cell. So on the left it reads B, it reads B. So on the left of B, so here it will read B or it will read B. On the left of B, if it reads B, keep B as it is. We can move to the left or right or keep on same state, and instead of final, let's say it is a halt state. We'll call it as a halting state. Another change. So two side infinite tape and halt, instead of QF it will be Q halt. So halting problem is there. That is one of the point in the Turing machine that we have to see. So till this point we have seen QF, that is for understanding. So it will be easy to understand. Now instead of QF, what we are going to write? Q halt. So machine will halt at this point. This is your Turing machine. This is the Turing machine for given language. This is Turing machine for given language. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, that's it for today. I'm sharing the attendance link. Just mark your attendance and then you can leave. Okay, link is shared in the chat box. Mark your attendance and then you can leave.